Baby
Yeah,
girl.
Cassie.
How are you? Oh, how are you? You miss me, don't you? I miss you.
She was talking about your purple room last night.
What are you talking about? Yeah, someday you're gonna have to come sleep in my purple room. When you're all done, when you got your big girl pants on all the time.
I do.
You do? Fantastic. We're getting close.
She had 6 days in a row accident-free.
Oh my gosh. So that means soon. Soon, soon, soon. You come stay with me, okay?
What's happening there, Alan? What do you think?
Very cool. I'm excited. I'm excited. You haven't met my
Yeah,
dog,
because
though.
Aunt Kathy doesn't do diapers.
I don't do diapers. Thank you. Am I a princess?
I think so.
You think so?
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Look how big you're getting. You're getting really tall. Did you know that? Uh-huh. And what size are we wearing these days?
Got her 4.
Well,
Well, it's kind of between a 3 and a 4.
serious?
Mm-hmm.